Thank you for purchasing your Hisense product. This video is going to show you how to connect Wi-Fi to your Hisense product using your Android phone. First, open the Google Play app and then download Hisense Air app. Next, open Hisense Air app and register. Please make sure that you allow all permissions. Fill in your name and a valid email address. Enter an app password. This password should be different from your email password. Check your email for the verification code. If you do not receive a verification code in your email, please check your email address in the Hisense app and resend. You can also change to a new email address and try again. Next, turn on the Wi-Fi mode on your machine. For a portable AC, press swing button on the remote 6 or more times. The buzzer will sound 5 times. Please wait until the display shows 77. 77 will display for 5 minutes. Please use your phone to finish the remaining steps. For a dehumidifier, press the mode and fan buttons on the unit at the same time. The buzzer will sound 3 times. Please wait until the display shows P2. P2 will be on display for 5 minutes. Please use your phone to finish the remaining step. Next, use your phone to connect the machine to your home Wi-Fi. Before pairing, your phone must be connected to your home Wi-Fi. Please follow the app instructions. First, please find and connect a Hisense device. Next, select your home Wi-Fi, which must be a 2.4 GHz network. Finally, enter your home Wi-Fi password. Congratulations, you have connected the machine to your home Wi-Fi via your phone successfully. If service busy or other notes appear, please retry from the first step. Now you can control your machine through your phone anywhere using cellular data or a Wi-Fi network.